Some whole plans mash up, like everything. Why am I recording me looking like this? I might use this in might end up using this clip in the future. Maybe if I decide to share, maybe make sure to cut. I put my eye look a bit. Hello, wagwan. Konnichiwa, ogenki desu ka? Or if I'm in Australia, so maybe I should say hello, mate. Hey, I'm not even gonna try it, but I'm just here to give a quick update. Happy new month, by the way. If you have not gotten a copy of your One Big Irie family, you need to get a copy because it is Jamaica in a book. Happy independence to all my Jamaican people. Enough respect. I can't respond to people individually, so I make these videos by way of spreading information as well, you know. So if you are wondering what's going on with me, I am recovering from the virus, like, so yeah, just starting with it is what it is. I'm just gonna jump right into the updates. So I thought the weather was just being unpleasant and confused because the sun would be shining one moment and then there's rain and then it's cold and then it gets hot, and I'm like, okay, this is a recipe for getting ill. So I thought I got a cold and I decided not to go to church the following Sunday because I don't want to spread anything. I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna wait this cold out. Okay, no, it's not passing. So someone who was a close contact tested positive. I decided to do a test. Lo and behold, it was positive. I was like, okay, interesting. I still don't subscribe to the fact that mask protect you, but it protect others, because if you have the virus, it's harder for you to transmit. I had started to have flu-like symptoms, and yeah, Karen kept saying, yeah, you have it. I said, no, don't call it down on me in the name of Jesus. But I've been taken care of by Karen, so thank you, Karen. I know you're gonna see this video because you watch all my videos whenever this is released, maybe the next 10 years. Why? And I don't want to cough, because the coughing is the thing. It's a terrible cough, and I feel like it's coming on. I try to avoid doing it, and then sometimes I can't breathe at night. So you know, when your nostrils stuff up because you have a cold, but I keep blowing. I mean, I look cute recording this because I'm looking in the camera, I'm not looking at myself. There's an angle that I don't look cute. I keep blowing my nose to release my nostrils, but there's nothing there, but we just can't breathe. So it happens at night and we get up feel being wet, so that means I have fever in my sleep, like during the night before this fluid went on the thing, because it's a rapid test. You can't see the line, they will come up missing. I hope as some pregnancy test come up. Oh, you talk about what I mean by hope as some pregnancy test come up, baby. And the girl that me go to got a part. I went Monday. She alright. She's a nurse thing, and so me that I have to get tested, and she said she would, but she knows that she must get tested. So I don't know. And I was all up in her car, hugging, take pictures together and all of that. So for 3 days, I was just weak. You know, that flu feeling there. You just have to stay in your bed. Yeah, part of life, you know. Just hope that, I'm not even going to say I hope. I know, and I have already declared that my lungs, my body, everything is marked for Jesus Christ. So, no, you see, I'm doing this, I feel like there's a magnetic, Jesus, hey God. Yeah, it's marked for Christ. Wait till I play in the past. So, it's just what it is. Like, there ain't gonna be no issues in my body, no long-term effects in the name of Jesus Christ. And I pray for all those who have contracted the virus at the same. That's my little COVID diary. Dirty COVID, take away yourself. Peace. Some whole plans smashed. Like, yeah, travel plans shattered. So I can't travel around Australia and I can't travel to Japan. What am I gonna do? So I've been here making TikTok videos. Of course, I'm staying away from people because I hear that this variant is more contagious. Because I'm like, I didn't even get to go anywhere much. Like, this is not fair, you know? Anyways, I'm here making TikTok videos, so you might see a few of them on this channel, on Facebook, Instagram. For the most part, I'm good. Just I try to lively up myself because these things ain't nice. Who wants to have a virus in a time when you're on vacation and you should be traveling around? Like, wagwan pound watagwan. I was down and out. I would literally feel heat coming from my body. I could feel the heat coming up to my face. I'm just getting over the cough now. Still coughing every now and again, so I still stay away from public places. As I say, I can't go nowhere. Thankfully, it didn't hit me so hard, but it wasn't nice. So I was a bit upset and disappointed that I was in Japan for so long and didn't get the virus, and I came to Australia and got it the time when I'm supposed to be traveling around. Going back to Japan would have been affected and everything. I'm like, but you know, God knows best, because if I got it in Japan, I would probably feel like it's not a nice feeling to be sick and totally alone. I know people would call and check on you maybe, and yeah, maybe you'd get one or two persons sending you stuff. I'm not gonna say I don't have anybody who would send me stuff, but for somebody make like a tea can come give you, cook like a food can come give you, that is so nice, you know. Anyways, I'm not gonna make this video too long, just giving a quick update and letting you know that I'm good for the most part. The weather is still not so awesome, even though it's very bleaky outside and it's cold. So I'm just go and ease myself, big up on myself, and enough respect until the next video. I don't know when, because I have nothing much to say, nothing exciting. Just, and the TikTok videos are actually doing better than the other videos. Like, what is going on? I don't really care. I'm just doing it for the fun at this point. So anything and anything.